You could spend thousands of dollars fixing up your home and still leave money on the table. In this video, I'm gonna go over the top 5 home improvements that you could do that actually boost up your home's value. And just as important, I will go over 2 upgrades that is an absolute waste of money so that you don't have to make the same mistake. I'm Francisco Cabrera, South Florida real estate agent and mortgage loan originator. And I help homeowners like you sell smarter and for more profit. Let's dive into the repairs that actually pay off when it's time to sell. Let's start off with the kitchen because we all know that kitchens sell homes. And here's the good news. You do not need a full gut renovation to get the returns. Just a minor remodel, like new cabinet fronts, a fresh coat of paint, updated hardware, and some modern lighting can give you a return of up to 75% on your investment. This is not about going custom or luxury. It's about having the space feel clean, functional, and move-in ready. That is what buyers care about. Next up is the bathroom. Again, you don't need a full luxury spa. Buyers are looking for clean and updated. This means simple things like regrouting the tile, changing out the old faucet, updating the lighting, and switching out the old vanity. Small improvements like this can bring you a return of up to 70%, and they instantly make your home feel modern and well maintained. Now, let's step outside, and curb appeal is one of the more overlooked but powerful upgrades that you can make. A fresh lawn, trimmed trees, new mulch, and a freshly painted door can completely change the way your home looks from the street. According to the National Association of Realtors, a curb appeal upgrade could give you a return of up to 100% of whatever you spend on it. And just replacing the front door can give you a return of up to 70%. It's the kind of upgrades that makes buyers fall in love with your home before they even step foot in it. One of the most affordable and effective upgrades you can make is paint. A fresh coat of light, neutral paint can make your house feel larger, cleaner, and newer. This is a visual refresh that is great for the showings, the pictures, and open houses. And it has a strong return on it, up to a 60% return on your investment. If you're gonna do one thing, a fresh coat of paint is always the best bet. And finally, energy efficiency, especially down here in Florida. Things like insulation, smart thermostats, and energy efficient windows can bring you a return of up to 75% of your investment. Here's where it gets even better. If you upgrade to hurricane impact windows, not only are you improving the efficiency and the safety, but you're also possibly going to save a ton of money in your homeowner's insurance. Buyers love saving and security. It's a win-win. Now, let's talk about 2 upgrades that usually are not worth it. First, high-end landscaping. Don't get me wrong, it looks fantastic. But unless you get the one buyer that's absolutely looking for that, it's a waste of money. More often than not, you're never going to recoup the money that you spend on it. When your yard is tidy and clean, that does just fine. Second, luxury upgrades in the guest bathroom and secondary areas. Installing premium fixtures in areas that the buyers don't prioritize is usually a waste of money. So if you're thinking about spending money on these 2 things, I suggest that you budget that money towards something else. So here's a quick recap of the top 5 repairs that deliver you the most value. We have minor kitchen and bathroom remodels. We have a curb appeal upgrade, fresh paint, and energy efficient windows, especially hurricane impact windows in Florida. Each one of these things helps sell your home faster and, most importantly, for more money. So if you're thinking about selling your home, let's make sure we make every single dollar count. If you found this information helpful, share it with somebody that could use it and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on more tips like this. If you have any questions about any of these repairs or repairs that you're thinking about making in your home, drop it in the comment box and I'll let you know if it makes sense or not. And once again, thank you for watching Francisco's Key Insights. See you next time.